Hey guys, it's like 5:30 a.m. right now. I was supposed to do this last night, but this is what we're doing today. For your lesson is we're gonna check your furnace filter, and Margaret, you're gonna take a picture of you with your furnace filter and what type of furnace filter you have, and you're gonna send that in for your assignment today. So I'm just gonna kind of show you, we're gonna see what mine looks like today. Let's do this. I got a flashlight, I got a marker, and I gotta figure out how to turn my camera down so I'm not looking at myself. Or I'm just gonna pause. Alright, calm my dog down. No, you ready? You gonna do this? Hey, you're in the way. Come here. No, we're not going outside right now. Alright, so in my laundry closet room right here. But there's not a lot of light. Yeah, there's no light switch, so there's my furnace. Gotta move this coat holder vacuum out of the way. My water softener. Alright. So my furnace is pretty new actually. So I've never even looked at it, so let's figure this out. Marker is the marker on the outside, which direction this filter needs to go. So when I put it in, I don't put it backwards. Airflow goes that way. So the furnace itself I'm gonna put an arrow showing which way it goes. So now I can pull this filter out. And you gotta get an inspection. Probably a little easier when you have two hands and not about 30 dozen coats blocking your ear. Alright, definitely needed two hands to take it out because I had to lift those notches. Let's kind of squeeze that while I'm pulling it away. Looking at my filter here, it actually doesn't look too bad. Nothing, it's definitely gray. And I haven't seen any replacement ones, so something I'm definitely gonna order here to have on ready to go and maybe change out in a month or so. A couple different numbers. I don't know which one's my model number, and they did not put a date installed. That would have been nice. I'm gonna go with that's probably the model number that I need. Or it could be that as my model number. So I'll do some research here and find out, find this air filter, and now I'm gonna reinstall it and close that panel back up. So. Gunnar, go say hi. Go say hi. Go smell. Hey, give this way. What's it smell like? What you think you?